Echoes of tomorrow. In the bustling city of New York, amidst the towering skyscrapers and honking taxis, stood Alex and Maya on the rooftop of their apartment building. The city lights twinkled below them, painting a mesmerizing picture against the night sky. They had been together for years, but lately, it felt like they were living parallel lives, drifting further apart with each passing day. Maya leaned against the railing, her gaze fixed on the distant horizon. She remembered the days when they would explore the city together, hand in hand, lost in the thrill of new experiences. But now, it seemed like they were trapped in a cycle of routine, their once vibrant relationship fading into the background of their hectic lives. Alex stood beside her, the cool night breeze ruffling his hair. He couldn't shake off the feeling of emptiness that seemed to consume him whenever he looked at Maya. He missed the laughter that used to fill their home, the easy camaraderie that now felt like a distant memory. But amidst the chaos of their daily grind, he didn't know how to bridge the growing chasm between them. As they stood there, lost in their own thoughts, a familiar tune floated up from the street below. It was their song, the one they had danced to on their first date, under the stars in Central Park. A wave of nostalgia washed over them, stirring something deep within their hearts. Maya turned to Alex, her eyes searching his for the first time in what felt like ages. In that moment, they both saw the longing reflected in each other's eyes, the silent plea for a chance to rediscover the love they had lost. "I miss us," Maya said softly, her voice barely audible over the distant sounds of the city. Alex reached out, his hand finding hers as they stood there on the rooftop, united in their shared yearning for something more. "I miss us too," he confessed, his voice filled with regret. Their fingers intertwined, holding on to each other as if clinging to a lifeline in the midst of a storm. In that moment, they realized that despite the distance that had grown between them, their love still lingered, a flickering flame refusing to be extinguished. Tears welled up in Maya's eyes as she leaned into Alex's embrace, seeking solace in the warmth of his arms. He held her close, his heart heavy with the weight of their shared pain. But amidst the chaos of the city below, they found a moment of stillness, a chance to reconnect and rediscover the love that had brought them together in the first place. And as they stood there, bathed in the soft glow of the city lights, Alex and Maya knew that no matter how far they had drifted apart, as long as they were willing to fight for their love, there was still hope for a brighter tomorrow.